It's your birthday weekend.
You guys want to make some pancakes?
You making pancakes? Yeah?
Poor Missy never got any of this. All she got was the birthday bear, remember?
Ready?
Remember?
Sprinkled!
Ready? You can do it next. Ready?
Yay!
Hey, Sienna, here. Put it on.
Hold on, it's Sienna's turn. Can you cheer her on, Leo?
Yay!
Yay!
Mwah. Give me a kiss. Thank you.
Sprinkle pancakes for breakfast.
Grammy should have brought you
Sienna, no.
sprinkled pigs.
Give me another spatula.
What are you guys about to get?
What is that? Are you guys coming in or what? Ready?
No, not yet.
Come on. Oh my God, do you need help?
I can't get the remote to work.
I gotcha. Presents! Woo! You guys got a Range Rover for your birthday.
Come on, Sienna.
Get in, babe.
What is this craziness?
Come on, Leo.
A Land Rover for your second birthday.
Come here, boo. I'm right here.
Sit down, baby.
Oh my.
It's okay.
What's happening?
It's okay.
Look at these seats. Oh my God. This is nice, guys. Look at Leo. Is there a horn?
Leo. Come here, boy.
Is there a horn? We got little cupcakes for the kids. Thing one. Thing two.
It feels nice to this.
Right? I'm about to eat one of these before everybody gets here. Who's a potty girl?
Pants were too big. He couldn't wear them.
Who's a potty kid? The potties! There's nobody here.
How old you gonna be?
How old you gonna be? Oh my. Grammy's here.
Can you help me grab some stuff out of here?
Sienna girl, is it your birthday, babies?
Where did mommy go? You want to go see your gifts?
Can I have a kiss?
Listen to Grandma like, what do you got on your head, Grandma?
Can I have a kiss?
She's like overwhelmed right now. She's like, what is going on?
Your kiss.
Mwah. I love you. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, no, it's not. And Leo. Happy birthday to you. Don't blow it out. There's coronavirus.
Here, blow it out. Ready? Ready, blow it.
Here. Blow. Blow it out. Hot, hot, hot. Blow it. Good job. Blow it. One more. Oh, did you touch that?
Sienna, ready? Blow it.
Blow, Sienna,
Sienna,
blow.
blow it. Like this.
Blow it.
Good boy, Leo.
No,
One, two. He's just
What
mesmerized.
the hell are you asking me to do?
Good job.
Sienna,
Good, huh?
But yeah, they're blessed. That's what Sienna gave me.
3 seconds. Oh, wow. I said the 3 seconds.
Why are you going?
Let him go.
Thank you. I want that.
Because that's yeah. I was like, and it was a baby. Yeah, like a baby.
Happy birthday, babies.
Eat up.
But then your dad, as a baby, was just
Eat up.
Where'd your ball go, bud?
I think he ate it or dropped it. Look at her. I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, it's next to you. I'm gonna throw it away.
Do you want cake? All right.
Is that yummy?
Sorry. Is that in there? Open your mouth. Is that styrofoam? It's not here. I thought it was cake.
It's not a cake pop. No, that's what we were just saying.
Oh my god.
Styrofoam, so.
Open your mouth.
He already ate it.
He already ate it. He's good. He's good.
Spitting it out. The
He's spitting it out. Here. You want some water?
Sienna, look at Gabby. Say, Sienna. Sienna. Good job. Leo. Leo, say wow.
The ball away from him?
He's so into it, yeah.
I know. Okay, perfect.
Look at her. There we go.
ER visit.
Oh!
Sienna.
His whole life was messed up today. Oh my goodness, she's so pretty.
Sienna.
Oh my God.
Sienna.
Deliver a baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? We're leaving, so she's Sienna, look at Gabby.
She's so focused.
All of a sudden you see water break.
Eat it. Take a bite.
Sienna. Sienna, look. Oh my gosh, look at his face.
Oh, I just hit my finger.
Is it yummy?
Sienna, eat it.
Look at her when I said cheese.
Leonardo.
Look at her with her thumb.
I know, she's just eating.
You're crazy.
Leo.
Gabby. Are you all done? Are you all done? Are you all done? I'm not holding it with my hands.
All done?
Are you all done?
You want, what did you want, the wipes?
Did
you bring wipes?
With mommy.
Hold on, hold on.
We brought the wipes in.
Let me go grab some wipes. Hold on, I know.
Come here.
He hates his hands.
That's how Cameron is.
I know, I almost got the one you guys got.
Wow.
Some of them were just way too sexy for
Is
kids.
that a swimsuit?
Yeah.
Look at it. Oh my goodness, look.
I got him the Mickey, her the Minnie.
No, Cameron.
Wow.
Stop pointing to the guy.
You can't put it on yet.
She wants to get naked.
Sienna, look.
Your daughter loves being
I
naked.
love being naked.
You want to put those on? We can put those on. Put them on here.
Leo, what'd you get? Dinosaur? Cute shorts, girl. Yeah.
She's like, pull them up.
Leonardo, can you come here, bub?
Sienna, what'd you get?
Woo, you look like you're Hawaiian.
What's a dinosaur?
Open this.
No, here I can.
Wow. Wow.
Sandra and Ashton, here.
what do you want? Oh, cute. Another noise thingy.
Sienna. Open it. Who's that from?
Leah, what do you have?
He loves that guy.
Yeah?
So funny. I like pajamas. You want to open everything?
She wants it.
She wants to put everything on.
No.
I used to put all of your mom's clothes, everything they got.
This is the brother. Can you get brother?
One right over the other.
Get brother.
Leo, go to mommy.
Come here, Bubby. He's going Leo. Ooh, this is from your midwife that delivered you.
Read it out loud, Sienna.
Would you die if she did?
I would.
I'd leave her.
I'd say you better get that on camera.
Oh, I'm recording.
Let me see. I want to pop it. There you go.
Here, babe, this is for you, I bet. Ready?
You want to get pop it out for you?
No way.
Your first doll!
Who got that?
No way.
Jay,
Wow. Oh, you nice, girl.
they always get the best gifts. Always.
I told my mom when I was younger I wanted one, and she said no, it's too expensive.
I remember ordering mine from a catalog. There wasn't stores.
Yeah, that's how-
I made mine to look like me.
My sister did the same thing.
Look at her grabbing it.
Is she supposed to have this
Who is that?
A hairnet?
The net?
The hairnet off.
No, take the hairnet off.
Leo's like, look at the card.
Ooh.
Pretty.
Be careful though.
Give her kisses. Sienna, give her kisses. Oh, good job.
He's kissing the
Sienna, look.
Can I have a kiss?
Here now that you
Can I
get
have a kiss? No? Say bye.